We start from the North Station, disused since the 1982 opening of the combined station with the narrow gauge Ffestiniog railway. Passing between slopes covered with slate fragments, we reach the 2-mile Ffestiniog tunnel. The misted front windows clear as we turn into the Lledr Valley. Isolated Roman Bridge is now an unstaffed request stop, like most on this line. This is no longer a passing loop. The C sign marks the start of a temporary speed restriction, and the T sign is its end. Kettin's Bridge crosses the River Lledr at a very flat angle. Betws Coed serves as the hub of a scenic area and has plentiful facilities for visitors. Passing loop and sidings have all gone. We are now following the River Conway, which has caused flood damage to the railway on several occasions. Convenient to the town of Llanrwst, a new station opened here in 1989. This, the town's original station, is now named North Llanrwst. It's now the only passing loop on the whole line. The engine of the branch goods train waits until the passenger trains have passed. Surf Snowdonia is a large pool, part of the former aluminium works, where surfers enjoy artificial waves. It's just across the river from here. Although reduced to a request stop, the metal crossing gates remain, needing staff to work them. Painted green and cream is a camping coach fitted out as holiday accommodation. We returned to the North Wales main line to alight at Llandudno Junction. A black 5 leaves with an up train. The tank engine on the front of this train is detached to return to the loco depot. Another Stania Class 5 departs eastwards. But we shall board a DMU to travel westwards. The London North Western was well known for such substantial signal boxes at its main stations. We crossed the river by Robert Stevenson's Conway Tubular Bridge. Conway Station is inside the town walls. Nowadays it's a request stop. Land on the left is now occupied by the A55, North Wales Expressway. Looking across to the Great Orme above Llandudno. This station is also now a request stop. High on the headland, the quarry supplies stone for track ballast and for road work. Across the Menai Strait lies the Isle of Anglesey. We'll end our ride here and examine the station's decorations. Now a request stop, the original buildings were demolished for the A55 widening.